So how can you use the iPad as a writing tablet? Let's get started with this. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe right now as you don't want to miss videos like this one. So there are some options. For example, you have the built-in solution ready by going inside of the Notes application. And then you can start a brand new note where you have the ability to enable the canvas option. So you can even make it go full screen like that. And by clicking or selecting the drawing option, you have the ability to use your finger or ideally a stylus or an Apple Pencil and just draw something on the screen and have it saved in the Notes app, right? It's built in, it's part of the iPad, so it's very simple. But of course, this is not the only method you can achieve this. And if you need more features or want to get a bit more professional with this, you need to download a third-party app from the App Store, which focuses on just that, right? So for example, you can get the GoodNotes or Notability, which are apps designed primarily with this focus of turning your iPad into this like handwritten note type of device, right? And there you can create like digital binders or folders of notes and even have like a background ready with like lines or whatever. So it just makes it a lot more easy and professional to just draw or write something on the iPad. So let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Just share your experience right there with us. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up if the video has helped you, and I'll catch you later in the next tutorials.